Welcome to the world of diaper changing. In this video, we will guide you through the process of changing a diaper in a safe and efficient manner. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what changing a diaper means. It involves removing the soiled diaper from the baby and replacing it with a clean one. Now, you might be wondering why it's important to know how to change a diaper. Well, it's a basic skill that every caregiver should have to ensure the baby's comfort and hygiene. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary supplies ready. You'll need diapers, wipes, diaper rash cream, a changing pad or clean surface, and extra clothing in case of any accidents. Now, let's prepare the baby for a diaper change. Find a safe and secure location where you can comfortably change the baby. Remove the baby's clothing carefully, making sure not to pull or tug too hard. Throughout the process, ensure the baby's comfort and safety by talking to them soothingly and keeping a hand on their chest to prevent any sudden movements. Next, it's time to change the diaper. Gently remove the soiled diaper and place it aside. Clean the baby's bottom using the wipes, being thorough yet gentle to avoid any irritation. If necessary, apply diaper rash cream to protect the baby's skin. Now, carefully put on a fresh diaper, making sure it's snug but not too tight. After the diaper change, it's important to properly dispose of the soiled diaper and wipes. Use a designated diaper pail or seal them in a plastic bag before throwing them away. Once the changing area is clear, clean and sanitize it using baby-safe wipes or a mild disinfectant. Finally, don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly after the change. This is crucial to maintain hygiene for both you and the baby. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to change a diaper. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the hang of it. Soon enough, diaper changing will become second nature to you. Happy diapering!